Hello everyone! Some of you might remember some of my earlier videos about building our house in the Philippines. Back then, about 1.5 years ago, we ended up with 2 coated plywood boards left over, and we honestly didn't know what to do with them. They were originally meant for the kitchen, but in the meantime we had found a different solution there. So we came up with the idea to turn those leftover boards into a shelf for the last empty corner of our living room. And today was finally the day to make it happen. I even offered the carpenter to use my circular saw to cut the boards, but he preferred working with his jigsaw instead. And unlike what's common in the Philippines, he actually screwed the shelf together instead of nailing it. He started at 9 in the morning, and by 4 p.m. the whole piece was finished. And with the leftover board he even built a second, smaller shelf. In the end, everything turned out really well. What do you think? Feel free to let me know in the comments below. And with that, I say goodbye to see you in the next video.